In this video, I'll show you how to analyze spreadsheets with Claude AI. This is a simple way to understand data, find insights, and summarize information quickly. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click the plus icon next to the message box to open the Tools menu. From the menu that appears, I'll select Add Files or Photos. Now I'll upload the spreadsheet file I want to analyze from my computer. Once the file is uploaded, it will appear in the chat. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen and type a prompt like, "Analyze this spreadsheet and summarize the key insights." Then I'll click the Send button. Claude will process the spreadsheet and generate an analysis, such as trends, summaries, or key data points. If I want more specific insights, I can refine my prompt. For example, I might type "Identify trends" and highlight important data from this spreadsheet. Claude can also help with calculations, comparisons, and explanations of the data. Once the analysis is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it for reports or decision-making. And that's it. I've successfully analyzed a spreadsheet using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.